I started taking classes with all the different guilds and private potters, and to see how they did their work and how they set up their own studio. I just progressed from there and ended up just being independent. It occurred to me that I am much happier with nature around me rather than in a downtown type of setting, because it inspires me and I enjoy the art. As far as graphic design, I've did the design of last year's brochure and this year's brochure. When I got into doing more and more pottery, I wanted to make sure that my design and my illustration skills got into the pottery. Yeah, I have done a lot of work in the wheel, but the last few years I've been doing more and more just the hand building, using slabs, coming up with patterns for the different pieces, pictures, and putting different types of vessels together. So, the large bowl is a Queen Anne's lace. The back of the piece is already rolled into a piece of lace or a doily. And so I'm actually doing both sides at the same time. Many years ago, I came up with a design for mirrors, and they're circular. And I use my hand-carved designs, and I go all the way around so you can't see where I stop and start the design. There's a lot of building up of the glazes to make those designs pop and so that you can see them. But for me, it is cheaper than therapy. And when I teach, that's something, it just lets people be a little bit more free with their design, or just with their hands. And they come out and they're happy. And it's just cheaper than therapy. So.